guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the brand new Almay Lip Vibes lipstick collection. So they look like this. They're in the little cardboard tubes. They are super cute. They have the name of the product on the outside. A ton of colors, a ton of colors. My lips are so sore after swatching all of these, but I think that it is really helpful to see how they look on the mouth. So I am going to go ahead, swatch every one of the lipstick shades from the collection, and then give you a short little recap and review on my thoughts at the end. So if you want to see these lipstick shades, please keep watching. Alright guys, so that is the end of the swatches. I hope that you guys found this really helpful in determining which shades that you want to buy, if you want to buy any of them, the whole shebang. My final thoughts on these lip products. So I had a couple favorites, but first I want to go over the fact that they are called matte, some of these shades. I don't think this lipstick is a matte lipstick. I don't. I think it's more of just like an opaque cream and a sheer cream. The colors that they're calling cream are pretty sheer, so I think they're just going on spectrums of opacity versus actual matte. The matte lipsticks did have a little bit of it was a little less shiny and a little bit of a slicker finish, whereas the cream was a little bit shinier and a little bit creamier. But at the end of the day, it's not matte. It still has shine to it. I mean, a matte lipstick dries down and it's not matte. It's going to move. It will transfer. You can rub your lips together. It just doesn't feel matte to me at all. It just is a cream color with more pigment, in my opinion, but that doesn't mean it's not a great lipstick. It just means that they're getting a little ahead of themselves when they're calling it a matte lipstick. So that's my thoughts on whether or not they're actually matte. But if we look past that, the colors are fabulous. There's a huge range of colors. They have even, you know, unique colors like navy and bright purple and yellow, and there's just a lot of colors that are different than your usual lipstick colors. I do wish they had some more neutral, like light nude shades. They had a lot of browns and tans, but not so much nudes. So that would have been nice to see in the collection. But other than that, I think it's very comfortable on the lips. It feels almost like a lip balm. This is the shade on my lips right now. The shade that I'm wearing is Skip the Gym. And I think it's really pretty. It's light pink, but it has like gold metallic reflect in it, which is really nice. I don't know how well they last yet, but in my blog post, the full review there, I will talk about how long it lasts, because I'll wear these for the rest of the day. But I think that they had a really good range of color. I think that they're comfortable on the lips. They're very hydrating. And if you're looking for a tube lipstick that is creamy and hydrating, this is a great option. I don't think that it will be super long lasting, nor do I think that it's actually matte or drying down. For $7.99, that's not bad. And that's kind of my 2 cents on this lipstick. I hope that this swatch video and short little review was helpful for you guys. Let me know what you think of this in the comments below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys!